It's been nearly 20 years since we last saw Arnold Ngame.
Yes.
Ngame is from the Congo, and he used to teach African and French literature at the University of Vermont. Now he's a senior lecturer at Yale University. He returned to the Clemmons family farm yesterday to introduce us to his beautiful wife, Pauline, and their son, Jonathan. Of course, Dad is eager to show the barn house to Ngame and Pauline, and to show them how he created it.
Then,
and you get an idea too, but this building looked like at one time.
Yes.
Who knew that a shy, nearsighted boy could grow up to be a pediatric pathologist? Who knew that a pediatric pathologist could become an artist? Who knew that restoring two old barns could become a work of art?
What you've, to me, it's a continuation of a legacy. You came up with your vision, the vision that was not probably understood at that time by many people, and even the children, even the people around, nobody understood that vision. But today we are seeing the legacy that you are giving us, everybody, through the children, through the friends, through the community, and through the country, and through the world. That's a legacy, I can say, that will continue.